Control F and type physical. Okay. Next, go up. Not this. Go.
Oh.
No, with the arrows that are beside the number, the physical. Go up. Or, yeah.
Oh.
That's the physical inventory processing. This is the section that we are going to do the things today, right? Then basically, physical inventory, the long process is, okay, you are going to check which are the items that you want to carry inventory, list of 20 items, 100, whatever you want, or you want to check which are the items that has not been counted during the last 3 months or never been counted, and you want to trigger a big inventory count, right? This is the purpose of the long process because it involves a lot of items normally, and it's a normal inventory count. It's not because you are in a rush to get the inventory to issue or something like that, right? Or you find something that is not in the system and you want to record it because you don't need to purchase because you have it on stock, but it's not in the system, right? Then here we have a tile that is, we have 2 tiles to create inventory, physical inventory. We have one that is says create single PI document, and that is right in the middle. Or we have the other one that is create physical inventory documents, right? You will see the difference of both. We are going to start with the left one, create physical inventory document, because this is a way to create plus check some additional information that can be really useful for the person that needs to trigger this physical inventory. I don't know who is responsible in his plan to say, okay, I want to count these items. I don't know if this can be triggered by you, if you want Stephanie, just to give them some, because you, okay, I want to inventory those items during this week, right? Then you go here, you can analyze which are the items based on different things that they are there. And then you can decide. Let's put, is Daniel presenting, right?
Yes.
Then you are Mesa. Then go to the plan and put 21. 20, yes. Storage location 1000. Okay, and here basically what we should do as well, and I would recommend it because normally you are going to count parts, right? Then
Yes.
I will add to the icon that says adapt filters to the right before they go. And just type here material. Then you can create the layout as usual, Stephanie, but and then there is more filters in the that says 3, and select material type. Okay, and then you can open this drill down option list and go scroll a bit down. EMB parts, for instance, select EMB parts and go. Now, basically, what the system is going to find is everything not counted since, well, we left empty the no counted section, right? But if you want to say no content since that date, will appear everything that is not counted, right? As you can see here, this is like a report that you can trigger inventory when you select different items, but you also can do different type of work here or pre-work, saying, okay, I want to count everything that is not counted. Then you can filter out everything that is item counted, yes, right? Or you want to count, I don't know, the ones that I didn't receive anything since the last count, right? Or the next 2 columns. This is like a report that where whoever's managed the inventory process can decide based on different rules what they want to do. And also you can add additional fields here with these settings icon that is this like this chain just below the go icon. This little, yeah, these settings. You can add, for instance, type here in the search, well, I don't know how it's called. I scroll down. Not too fast. Current book quantity is the 4th line. Select this.
No.
No.
What was it called?
Current book quantity, yeah.
Got it.
It says it's going to display your current stock for this. It means this layout is like a report, but you also can trigger different things. Then, for instance, if you scroll down, you can see the material, the plan, and the storage location. Where is this belonging? And then you can the next it says counted or not counted, right? Then, and in the last column right now, you can see which is the stock that you have as a reference for the person that is triggering this. And I don't know, let's select 3 items randomly. Don't touch the tire because I was playing with the badge.
Oh, okay. Let's do.
Yeah. 3 or 4. And this is the way that you select as many items as you want for the inventory. And then write down in the right bottom corner.
Just a second. I gotta get a part out real quick. Just one? Okay.
But wait, Joel, we are not processing them, right?
No, it's somebody needs to create the physical inventory document, and you are selecting the different items that you want to put there to be counted. That's the only thing that we are doing here.
Yeah, but I mean, like, we don't need to do it now because we won't be, it's a production environment and we are only doing it for one item.
Okay, perfect. Then uncheck this and we can do it for this specific item.
Yeah, let's do only for one item.
Perfect. But you can do for more than once in this way.
Yes, good. Yeah, perfect.
Go up. You can type the item here.
It's the charge bags, right?
There is a possibility that we don't even have any quantities in stock, like in SAP.
Oh.
Then it wouldn't show up here, Joel?
Try a part that's easy, like something that you know you have stock of, like maybe like a radio harness.
But this is like a good example. Like we need to adjust the quantity. This product exists in SAP, but if we don't have any quantity in stock, so we cannot adjust it.
Yeah, you can do it, but maybe we cannot use this style.
So what tile should we use in case it happens? Let's say that for some reason we have a product that we didn't receive the PO. I don't know, something happened, and now we need to adjust it. How do we do it?
Okay, let's go to the other tile. Go back.
So with this tile, it's only possible if we have already some quantity on hand?
I will check it anyway because I want to check this. I'm taking notes. Why something with not quantity is not appearing? I will take care. If not, go to the create single PI document. Then you put your plan. Put your storage location, the next line, and here, and put the material number. Basically, both transactions up to here, they are doing exactly the same thing. Create the physical inventory document and just press post.
Post? I don't have to. Okay.
Post is only to create the document. You can see that you created the document 20. Okay. You can copy this now.
Copy the number?
Yeah. And this is and this right now, the next thing in a normal inventory process, go back. What you should do is for the person that is going to do the physical count, you need to give them some paper just to take notes, right? Now there is an option that says print the second tile, print here. Okay, it's defaulted because it's like you did. And then go to the execute. Which the well, let's put. You have a printer, or if not, we're going to use well, it doesn't matter. Just go to the print preview because probably in this case. Okay, type LOCL just to display an output. Print. Okay, and this is what is going to be give to the person that is going to do the inventory count. Basically, and in this case, as the material master for this storage location, we don't have a PIN inform because you know, Stephanie, that we can inform this information at the storage location level. It's not there. But in this case, if you give me this, I need to count this item in the complete warehouse because I don't have any reference as could be the bin. And then the person is taking notes because it's the only one item is easy to remember. That is, I don't know, 20. So they need to put the quantity written down here. And I don't know which is your process. If you scroll down, you will see there is a place that they can put when they counted and whoever counted, right?
Yeah.
Because then you have the trace here. Imagine that somebody take this note, this paper, went to count, and this person counted, I don't know, how many we should put on stock.
Oh, 78.
78?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Then you can go back. The next step after this physical count that is done with paper is done. One step back more, please.
Do what?
One step back.
One, oh, more.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now we need to go to a different tile that is enter inventory count. This is the option where, yeah, the inventory is there, the 20.
Is this where we?
No, you can leave it blank. If it's clear, yeah. Press enter.
Oh.
And here is the screen where you need to input the results. And this is for two different things. Imagine in this case it's fine because you are counting quantity. And then this is the field that you need to use, put in the right quantity that you physically have. However, if this item needs to be counted and you go to the place and you check the complete warehouse and you don't find anything on stock, you cannot put 0 here. What you need to do is there is a 0 count check in the right. You can see it.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, if you want to say I have 0, you need to press here.
Okay.
This is only when it's a 0 count for this item. And this, the only thing that is doing is, okay, you are confirming which is the inventory quantity that you counted. Then you go and press pause because this is you already counted and you have 78. And the counting is finalized. Go back. And now here, the next step to do, well, we can do something else here. You can, okay, I did a mistake. I want to correct some items. You could change the physical inventory code because there is a doc, yeah. Click enter. Whatever you did is here, you can adjust things. If you need to do it. Imagine that you put 76 instead, you can correct it and put here 78. You can adjust.
Where do we enter the date that the count has been made? Because if we realize this change on the same day, it's okay. But if it takes 1 week for us to realize it, then we might want to create a new one, a new document, and do this transaction again. Let's say, just a scenario here, but where can we see like when it has been adjusted?
No, it's not adjusted. It's only counted. This is never adjusted yet.
I know, but let's say that it's 78 now, and then 2 hours later we actually have we realize it's 77. Like how?
If you didn't post, you can come back in this tile and adjust it directly here because nothing happens. It's only you can override the value and post it again. You can change this until you are 100% sure that you are correct. Then you can go and press post.
So when she pressed post, then we cannot undo it.
It's doing nothing. It's doing nothing yet. It's only in the inventory says that you counted physically 78. But this is still not translated in your physical inventory after the inventory process. This is inventory count. The system is getting all values for all items that you have on stock, but it's not doing anything. If you have 0 right now and you put this 78 and you press post, nothing is going to happen yet. This is only to introduce the count. That's all. Save it. Or post it, please, Daniel.
Sorry.
Well, then cancel because you didn't change anything.
Should I just hit no?
Or say yes again. Enter.
Nothing happened.
Yeah, pues cancel that because it says nothing.
Okay.
And say no now.
Okay.
You didn't change anything. Go back. And now The next step is the last icon that says physical inventory document overview. Here you will see the complete, press go, because probably this is the first one. No, it's not the first one because we adjusted different things, but yours is the 20. You see here that you have two different columns that says count progress and post in progress. In this case, we counted and posted. If you go down, the last one is the 20. You will see here that you counted, but you didn't post it. Select this. And now, whoever is managing this, that probably could be the same person that triggered the inventory count. You can see here, okay, the system says that you have 107, but you only count 78, right?
Oh,
and here is when this can be analyzed. And also, I believe, go to this settings icon, book value, press book value. Okay. Okay, no. Go to the icon again. I don't know if we can see the same thing, not only for the quantity.
Oh, book quantity.
Yeah, I will, okay. Go to again. Let's see if we have something that says, a second, count versus book, something with value, count versus book. Scroll down.
Here?
No, this is already there, selected. Scroll down. I don't know how it's called here. Yeah, but I'm sure that we can add which is the difference in value for finance here. I will press note. I will check which is the exact file for that later. But cancel. But basically here you have the status for every single item that you have in this physical inventory, right? And then if you have one item, imagine that you have 10 right now, and everything is matching your inventory counts, or there is a small difference, maybe 1 unit. And then you decide, select this item, select, don't do it, what I'm going to say now, and you say, this item, I want to take it out from this inventory because I want to have a specific inventory to just do an additional recount. You select the item because you are not comfortable with this count, and you press recount, right? That you can see here. Don't do it.
Oh, no, I'm not. I took my finger off.
Yeah. This basically what it's going to do, Stephanie, is going to keep everything else in this inventory that can be moved forward until the posting, right? And then this item will go to a new inventory that will be, in this case, the 10021, because you can retrigger a specific count for this only item. It means you
can I ask a question? Why aren't we doing this in test so we can actually process the data so that accounting can go in and take a look at what we've done?
Our plan was to do it.
Did you mute yourself?
No, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Stephanie was just answering my question. Okay, continue.
Yeah, and here, as you are not finance, Daniel. In this case, here the only thing that you can do is monitor where we are, right? And then when you say, okay, this inventory is ready for finance, you need to speak with somebody in finance to use this exactly the same tile that you have here, because in your case, you only see recount. But if finance person will have another icon that will say post, because they will confirm the post. And then if finance, for some reason, maybe for you something that one item is not a big deal, but maybe finance wise is I don't know, 500,000 value, then probably also finance can retrigger a recon for this item, explaining what. But right now, the process, inventory process, from logistics is done because accounting clerk should do the posting just to adjust this inventory difference. I don't think that I don't know, maybe you, Stephanie, can do this posting, I don't know. But what is clear here that Daniel cannot do this adjustment. Needs to, I don't know if you or Cheryl have a granted access to do this inventory posting, but not Daniel.
So the only thing that is missing is to do the posting, and that's it?
Yes.
Is there like a button that it would be there, or?
Yeah, before or after recount, I can show it in my system. Let me connect in production. 1 second.
Give me a second. I gotta run and get FedEx.
Can you go out, Daniel, from this inventory, please?
You just want me to go back to the home screen, or?
Yes, please.
Oh.
And now I'm going to share my screen.
Okay.
Let me know if you can see my screen.
I can see it.
Yes.
I'm in the same tile, physical inventory document overview. I'm going to search all of them, and I'm going to go to the 20. That is the one that you create and counted. And then with probably my user, you can see when I'm selecting, and it also appears there already, but you need to select the items and then I can post. In this case, I have the right access to post the quantity and financially as well the value. And as soon as this is hit, this post, the stock value that you can see in the display warehouse stock will be 78 instead of 107.
Sorry, I'm confused. Where is this 107 coming from?
From the inventory that is in the warehouse. This is production. Well, sorry, let me use a tile.
But Joe, I thought we checked it and it was 0. Didn't we check and it was 0, the quantity that we have in stock? That's why we couldn't even process in the other tile. It was 0. How come it's now 107?
Just a second. Come on. Okay, I will not filter anything, just to run for both plans. The system is saying that I have right now, before the inventory, 107 in Mesa and 101 in Studio City.
Yeah, but remember that the quantity was showing 0? So
I need to check this. I need to check this tile.
Which tile is wrong?
The one that the one that wasn't appear this. I will take a look about this.
Okay, and sorry, Danielle, so we had 107 because I think this is the accurate number. So now we have only 78. Did we use these bags for other things, or did we ship them somewhere else?
I mean, I was transacting everything in the QR code that we were doing. I don't know how many were shipped out. I can check, but
Oh, so you had some in stock there, and then you shipped to Studio City?
no, we shipped them out. Well, I mean, to the cars that were shipped to Studio City, the finished cars, and I was just doing the transactions through the QR code that we have.
Right. Yeah, we will need to adjust the quantities anyways because we were not. Yeah, we will have to update them.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to check what happens basically here. You were receiving a stock from the other plan.
Mm-hmm.
Different moments of time. So, and the only thing that you did is this, and well, this is a cancellation. You receive this quantity.
Mm.
Yeah, everything was via stock transfer. I want to check this. Yes, from Studio City to Mesa. Then the question is, do you want to adjust the stock?
I need 5 minutes to just check.
Sorry, so
We'll have to because in Studio City we have 71 bags.
Okay.
So I just want to understand. So the quantity is actually right here in your screen right now, right? Like this is the current quantity that we have in SAP, not that it's right. Like
Yeah, this is a theoretical quantity that we have in SAP. Yes.
Okay, so why weren't we able to create this? If we had quantity in stock, the first tile that you show us didn't process it, so we should never use the first tile that we were trying. Correct?
No, I will check. I will check why it fails. I will take a look. But it's better to use the other one. Where you put all.
Okay. I was just talking to Cheryl. The reason why I think, Danielle, you couldn't post that, it's because it might be finance that has to actually post it. We can have some internal conversation to define if we want to have the to have the permission to post that, or if it's going to be always finance. But we can discuss that to have this discussion internally.
The only thing here that is something that I don't like it. It's there is no value for this item, and I think well, let me check because I don't.
No value?
It's not value. It's with no value. How it's called this product managed product master.
But we never had a PO for this, so that sorry, I don't know if I know what you mean here.
I'm going to check the standard cost of this.
It's a U.S. purchased product, so
Yeah, but even though you purchase, purchasing price is one thing that is based on what you are going to pay to the supplier.
No, I know, but I'm worried that the standard cost for U.S. purchased products was handled a little bit differently. I don't remember how Andy said he was handling it. And I'm also wondering, sorry, Danielle, didn't we get 400 of these? 400?
Charger bags or
Oh,
charger
charger bags. Charger bags. Never mind. I'm
I was
like,
like, we
I
did
thought
not
we
get
had
400 of those.
I'm like, where did 200 chargers go? Those were like $200 each. Okay, good. All right.
No, they're still sitting here.
Okay. Good. So charger bags was loaded. We don't have, I don't think we have an open PO. So charger bags were loaded as part of the inventory load. Joel?
Sorry, again?
We did charger bags were part of the initial inventory input. We haven't done a PO for them since.
Yeah. But the point is, standard price, I cannot see the value for this item. It means, let me try to open a different.
But what was the value in the inventory document when we did the inventory load? Because did you guys not use that document to apply standard cost?
Yeah, but the standard cost is what Lily provides us in the material master. It means if for this item we never receive a standard cost in the product master, then it's 0. And then even though we upload the stock, we don't put the price there because it's coming automatically from the material master.
So we would have given you, we must have given you the product code in the material master for you to have been able to put the inventory in, though, right? Like otherwise you would have had a failure.
Yeah, but if they miss to put the standard cost of this item is 0, then that's the reason why I'm seeing here the value of this unit is 0.
Okay, it makes sense that we might have missed it on this item because it's a U.S. purchased item, but I'm worried how many other items that happened to, right?
Yeah, because the way to compute the standard cost is different because we don't have administration fee and different things, but we must have as well the standard cost. Because now I'm checking, let me check accounting. It's 0 the standard cost, right? Everything that you will receive will be not valuated. And if you purchase this item, you will pay for the purchase price, but the inventory stock will be 0 valuated.
Didn't exist the code.
Yeah, so we just checked our document from the load. It didn't get a standard cost, so we'll have to connect with Andy.
Yeah, and this is important because probably what they need to do is adjust the standard cost because it's something that they can do, saying that for this item, the standard cost is $25, right? And they can adjust this.
We first need to enter the standard cost and then do the inventory adjustment. What happens if we do the opposite? Like, let's say that we didn't know.
Well, what is going to happen that you're going to do a pause without a finance impact because it's 0.
Yeah, but you would know because it's that value in transaction, right? Isn't it that column there? Those columns? Sorry, those columns, if we see zeros, then we need to stop what we're doing, right?
Yeah, at least for the...
that's in the display warehouse stock. So how would we know
here
in the inventory? How would we know?
We can add it here, and because I thought that this was not working, book value is 0, and it's correct.
Okay, so everybody on the call, you have to have that book value. If you have a 0, then you're going to have to connect with finance. Otherwise, we're going to have not the Canadian team because there's no book value, but for the US teams, there should be a value there. Does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Yes.
But you see here, right? This is 81,400 in your test system. I was testing it there because just to make sure that the app was working, just to avoid surprises as we had for the scheduling agreements. But you can see here is an item that I test where I counted 2 and I adjusted, and the book value was $4 each.
Sorry, you don't see that book value until you adjust it, or do you see it?
No,
if
I
there's
can see.
inventory
No,
no matter what?
I will see it. Yeah.
Okay.
Because the adjustment in value is based on this book value.
So for the US team, now the only thing is though, you won't have a book value on a consumable though, right, Joel?
Correct. but it's fine because then it's not parts. All parts in Studio City and Mesa must be evaluated, right? A different thing is a
No,
part.
consumables are not valuated. Consumables are expensed, but that doesn't mean we don't count them.
But it's not a part. It means it's not a EMB parts. It's under EMB consumable material type. It's a different material type itself.
But how would we know?
We'd still have to count it. Like there's still some of those components still have to be counted for now, right? Because we put the inventory quantity in there because we need to manage the demand plan. So we had to have a quantity for even consumable. But there wouldn't show a value because we don't value that inventory. So me just telling the US guys that if you have a 0, you can't, to be careful, don't count it or don't adjust it because you're going to have a problem is not an accurate statement because there will be zeros on consumable UNBW components. Are we not able to do inventory on UNBW components?
Yeah, probably yes. I mean ET1. This is the one that didn't pop up this material, but let me go. Here you can do that filters. You can put material type as a selection criteria. Then which one you are talking? Consumables?
UNBW.
Yes, consumables. Then you type consumables. And then you have here the list of consumables that we have. And then I'm going to do inventory for this. Creating physical inventory.
Hang on a second. This is consumable material type. This isn't, this is like the definition of consumable. This is not UNBW product code. Is it? It is? Okay.
Let me check it.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah, it's consumable.
Yep, good, thanks.
Consumables, create physical inventory, create, number 20, going back, then enter inventory con. I'm going to put, I don't know, 10, post, go back, I'm going to check physical inventory overview, that's a 20. I created different ones for tests, but 20, I did the count for this one. I'm going to the inventory. I had, okay, I put 10 equals 6. It means I counted more data the theoretical SAP says.
So,
and here, one second. And then here, if I'm adding the book value, then you can see the book value 0. It means in this case, when whoever does the post, this will never trigger a finance will not have a finance impact. There. Let me do. I'm going to do the post in ET1.
No, sorry. Are you on the test environment?
Yes, yes, I am. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the one that Danielle can see right now, right? This posting.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I have wide access. This is the post. This when the inventory is finalized, this needs to be handed over to finance to check if they are also fine with the value, right, or the difference, and they should do the post. And then if I'm going to do the post in ET1, the inventory.
Yeah, you can post it. Yeah. Let's see how it looks like. So I have a question. Let's say that she posted the storage bags without the value, but then we only realize it later. What do we need to do? If we just adjust the standard cost, does it update it, or
no? If no, in this case, because the document that is posted is untouchable. Then will be posted with no value. When you do a adjustment in the price, you will adjust the price for the existing quantity. Maybe finance needs to do something in there directly, journal entry.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Basically, this is how works the normal long process for inventory. And then there is another option to do a inventory count right away, but I don't know if you will have access to post it.
Okay, so first, before we go to the short option, so right now we have created this document on the storage bags on the production environment, but then we realized that we don't have the cost, the price yet there. So should we cancel it and then we have to do it again because we don't want to post it? Or is it going to be updated when we add the standard cost there?
Yeah, I believe so that it's going to be updated because it's speaking from the standard cost, the value. I will suggest that Andy adjust the standard cost for this item, and then we can process the inventory.
Then it refreshes there like automatically.
Yeah.
We wouldn't.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Okay, yeah, let's try on the short path on the testing environment. Danielle, if you want to. Oh, actually, it would be Pablo, right, to test this on the test environment.
One thing is I don't think I've actually ever been in the test environment. I've only been in production.
I can send you the link. This is something new that last week they have provided us. It's a duplication of the production. So it's exactly everything that we have in production now, but duplicated. So we have like real parts there that are real, but we can play around with the testing. So it's good for training purposes as well. So I can send you the link. Let me send it here on the conversation 1 second.
Can I get it too?
Just do Control F and type physical. Yeah, it's enough. And there is an arrow going down to the right. No, in the after the word in the right appears 1 to 6 and then some arrows. Yeah, press this. Going down.
So just go down to the next one that it finds.
Yeah.
Until you see it, or just.
My screen is not refreshed. Okay, yeah, here. Scroll down. It's not this one. It's manage physical inventory processing. Is this one?
So which tile?
There is before the last one. There is one tile that says enter PI count without document.
So this one.
Yeah. This is going to look like as a single inventory count. Here you can type the plan. In your case, it's going to be Studio City. You put the storage location.
We know this now.
1000. And then you press enter. And now you type the material that you want to count.
So the same number, was it?
Yeah,
100?
yeah, whatever number.
1707, I think. Yeah.
Perfect. You press enter. Select this one. Okay. Now say you need to say something, or you are telling me the physical how many you have on stock, or you tell me that is 0 by checking the flag that says 0 count. Whatever you prefer here.
What's
okay,
this?
so let's say, yeah, exactly. What is this, Joel? The dispatch? Oh, the sales value. It would be the sales price.
Sorry, what?
The sales value.
Right here where it says batch sales value. What is this?
Yeah,
It is the bytes when we count bytes, but it's not bytes relevant. Nothing to do. And sales value is the field that doesn't appear anything. It should appear down below, but it's not relevant for this item. And in your everything that you're going to count is not relevant. You see that in the left side you have material and then material description, right? Where you have the material and description down below. But here you have batch, that is this field, and below batch field, there is nothing because it doesn't apply the sales value, nothing.
Okay, so we would have to enter only the quantity, right?
Yeah, yes, quantity.
In the
Yeah,
middle
because
of the screen.
yeah, because in the error message says enter quantity or zero indicator for this item.
Yes. Okay. So good. Now question. We are having. I don't know if this is a different tile that we were before, but again, it's showing 0 on the right, and it's not right. So again, there is something wrong.
Let me check. Unity 1. Just a second.
Because we should be comparing how many we have now, like in SAP, and actually the right quantity. So let's say that it was 72, but we actually have 71. That is the right way, right, to compare.
Just a second. 1 0 0 17 0 7. Yeah, let me check it. Yeah, I will. I'm taking a screenshot of this. Yeah, and here, yeah, it says 0, but I don't know why. I will take a look. And then you put the quantity 71, and the next thing that you need to do here is the post, if you are allowed to do it.
Okay, so just post it.
Yeah, this directly will adjust the inventory. Try. I don't know if it's the system. Yeah, you press enter and disappear the line because you see that the first line now is the number 2.
I didn't hit enter. I just hit the button where it said post.
But did you hit
it does
post?
say I hit post. You said hit post. I hit post.
Hit it again. Yeah, nothing happens because you don't have authorization for that.
So it disappears?
No, disappears. Is if you go this display overview data, is there. And this
so
is the
then,
quantity. The only thing that you
with
can,
access.
yeah, you cannot use this because as you cannot post in the other inventory, you cannot post it here either.
So what would be the solution here? Someone with access would have to come into this. Like, how would the person would find this transaction to really post it? Like, let's say that finance is the one with access.
If check with finance who should be allowed to do the posting, right? Maybe not somebody. Maybe you can agree on that. But the point now is nobody in your team is able to post a inventory document because you don't have rights to post it, basically.
So we can only physically count, but we won't be able to post. Other people would have to post.
Yeah, and in this case, as you cannot post it, and this is only is doing everything, is saving and doing the posting. You cannot use this style because you don't have rights. You should use the long path because it's the only way that you can put create inventory, introduce the count, and then finance. When you say this is finalized, please withdraw quantity and value. They are able to do that. But now nobody in your team, Stephanie, is able to do that. Therefore, this one fast way to adjust inventory, you are not allowed to do it.
Okay, only if we had access to the
post inventory, yeah,
the
as
permission, then we would be able to post it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to go with the long way.
Yes, this is something that you need to agree with finance if you can get access to withdraw this. Maybe not everybody. Maybe instead, just I'm guessing, maybe instead of Pablo or Daniel, maybe you should have access to post, and then working together you can. Okay, I'm fine with the difference. I can post it. Right?
Okay.
It depends how you organize that, or yeah.
Okay, good, clear. We would need to have some internal conversations now to define a couple of things, but okay, good. Thank you. I think this is the way.
And if you need to change your access, you need to just raise an incident or case in the service now. If you finally agree that somebody in your team must have access to post the inventory difference.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you, Joe. Thank you, Daniela and Pablo, for sharing.
I will try to find the tiles because I did you remember that I did a small process flow between tiles, right? And I will send it to you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Any other questions? Somebody else?
No.
Okay.
No, good. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Have a good weekend.